is going down, people. Bit of a probably not that exciting one today, but we're gonna go and get another Volvo. I'm currently in a Sierra, 3-door Sierra with Big Ron. It's nice actually, it's quite comfy. Give you a wee, look at that, snazzy. Yeah, we're gonna go and get another Volvo for parts due to the fire which killed the engine and the wiring loom and a few other bits, but yeah, so we need to go to Dunoon. We're in Edinburgh to Dunoon's an absolutely beautiful drive. We get to go on a ferry, providing Ronnie's truck will actually fit on it. It'll fit on it, but whether they'll let us on it. Yeah, so we're gonna cruise down in the Sierra. We're gonna pick up Ronnie's truck. Ronnie's gonna put fuel in it, ask me for no money, and then we're gonna go over to Dunoon.
They look good.
They look good. They look good. What do you not like about them? The gold?
They look awfully flat, there's no brush to them.
Ah, that's why I wanted them like that.
Oh.
So we're in the truck, we've been plugging on, we've probably got maybe an hour to go. Unfortunately, to get from what am I thinking now, like the other side of Glasgow to Dunoon, you would normally take a ferry, which is what I done when I went and got an engine and box off the same guy that we're going to see. But because Big Ron, his truck is too long, well, it's not too long, but it's too long for it to be a van. It goes under a commercial kind of price, and it was 130 quid to get there and back, which is expensive.
Tighter than 2 coats of paint, this drifter.
Tighter than 2 coats of paint. So we've taken the extra hour detour, which will be a 2-hour detour by the time we're there and back, to save the 130 quid, because Ronnie said to me earlier on off camera that he was quite happy to spend the whole day driving.
No.
he was absolutely choking for it. He phoned me this morning before I even got up. He was like, Ollie, I want to spend all day with you and go and get an old Volvo. So that's what we're doing.
How's your bank holiday Monday?
So the key, I think the key here to building cars, having cars, track cars, is really having a good close network of friends that are willing to do things for you. Because if I had to do this with a trailer, it would be a pain, and I probably would have done it with the trailer, to be fair, but my trailer's broken still. The XC90 goes into limp home mode. So yeah, we get to cruise it in the Sprinter and it saves me driving. I tell you what though, the scenery, if it wasn't raining, would be beautiful, but it is just slightly less beautiful. I would show you, but there's loads of traffic coming the other way. We're just going to end up showing you loads of cars. There we go, there's the scenery. It's quite misty, but now I'll get back to you shortly once we've progressed on. We made it. The weather is absolutely fantastic, as you can tell. We've got a beautiful silver parts car, and I'm pleasantly surprised because it's from Dunoon that it is very clean. So the plan with this, I think, is probably take the wiring loom out it, take the engine out of it. We'll do a wee build with some max speed-ins, and yeah, make some more power, ECU master. But no, I'm well surprised by how clean this is underneath. For an old Volvo to have look like that, well happy with that, very happy. So thank you to Gary from Max Scrap and Ronnie of course for bringing me over.